Now we are going to begin with the third problem. So third problem says the image of an object formed by a mirror is real and inverted and is of magnification -1. Here they have given a one mirror that gives the image real and inverted. The real and inverted, it means they are talking about concave mirror whose magnification they have given to us, that is -1. This -1 is indicating that they are talking about again a sign of concave mirror. If the image at a distance of 40 centimeter, they have given us image at a distance of 40 centimeter. Okay. Now further, from the mirror, where is the object placed? First case, if you will read this question, they have asked two questions in the same question. So first only I am solving the first part of this. Okay. So here they have given this and they have asked us to calculate the object distance. So if you will see, we have the mirror formula. What mirror formula says? 1 upon f is equals to 1 upon v plus 1 upon u. If you will see here, I have only my v, I don't have my f, I don't have my u. I cannot use this formula. But if I will go to magnification formula, what it says? Minus v upon u. This is the formula which I can use. So m is what they have given, that is -1 is equals to v is what I have, minus 40. Okay, now here when we will transpose this side, so what I am going to get? I am going to get this minus will turn to plus 40 upon 1. This will be -1, so my u will be minus 40. If you will see, your image distance is 40 and object distance is 40. Means this is the case when my image is formed at C. You remember, when the object is kept at C, the image will also formed at C. So my image is formed at C. That means C also we have come to know, image, in this case, image formed at C. Okay, because it is of same size. So here we have C is equals to 40. So if I will talk about F, if you remember the relation, what is this C? C is nothing but, if I will say, that is the R, that is the radius of curvature. And what is the relation between this? R by 2, if I am going to get F is equals to R by 2. So what is my R? 40 by 2. So F will be what? F I am going to get 20 centimeter from the above. Correct? Now we will go to the second part of the question. Second part of the question says, where would be the image if the object is moved towards, they have given the object is moved towards 20 centimeter towards the mirror. Now initially they have given this case. Second case they are saying, now what happens if my object is moved towards 20 centimeter. Now my object is placed at 20 centimeter. My object is placed at 20 centimeter. Okay, this is my u which I have. Okay, so here I will get u is equals to minus of 20 centimeter. So what I am going to get from this equation? We have calculated already. So I have f, that is my 20 centimeter. I have u, that is also minus 20 centimeter, already given in the question, that if we will keep the object 20 or shifted the object towards 20 centimeter towards the mirror. So I am going to use the mirror formula. What it says? 1 upon f is equals to 1 upon u plus 1 upon v. So I need to calculate v. So I am going to transpose this. So what I am going to get? 1 upon f minus of 1 upon u. Okay. So when I am going to solve this, what I am going to get? 1 upon v is equals to 1 upon f, means minus 1 upon 20. Why minus? Because it's a concave mirror. Okay. Minus 1 upon minus of 20. Correct? When you are going to solve whole this, what you are going to get? In this particular case, you will find that your v will form at infinity. Your v will form at infinity. Okay. What happens when the image plays at this? So the ray incident at this point, that will be passes from focus. Okay. Another ray fall here and it will move here. So the image will be formed somewhere at infinity. So this is clear, and this distance is nothing but 40 centimeters. So this way we can get the answer for this problem.